2, 3. Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great day. I am playing a traditional Italian folk song on classical with fingerstyle guitar called Bella Ciao. This is a wonderful, beginner-friendly fingerstyle song where you can grab the tab for this free at my site. It just takes a name and email to join. I've left a link in the video. There's also a link in the video description. But it's a really fun song to get started with the fingerstyle. Let's start learning it now. Okay, so a lot of Bella Ciao uses a chord called an A minor. I'm just going to very quickly show that to you. Take your index finger, put it on fret 1 on the 5th string down, called the B string. Eddie 8 Dynamite Goodbye Eddie, E-A-D-G-B-E. Take your middle finger, put it on the D string on the 2nd fret, and then the ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. Fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, etc. Okay, this is called an A minor and it's a chord, which means that we're pressing down more than one string at once. And we're going to be using this a lot in Bella Ciao. So I'm just going to do the first sort of bar and a half. So as you can see, I'm not really doing much here with this hand. It's all about the picking hand, right? So on the picking hand, the thumb always plays the top 3 strings in traditional sort of classical fingerstyle guitar. So the thumb plays the top 3 strings, index finger plays the G, middle finger plays the B, and ring finger plays the E. So at the beginning of the song, the thumb goes on the D string, which is playing a 2 that this finger's holding down. Then index finger plays this 2 here that this one's holding down. And then open on the B string. Open just means 0. So we've got an A minor, but we're just going to let go for that bit at the beginning. Then we're going to put it back down. And we're going to pinch, that means pulling 2 strings at the same time, the A string and the B string. So we've got, then index finger's going to play the 2 that this chord's holding down. So now you can see it's quite important to keep this chord held down because it does make a big difference. It keeps things easy for the fretting, okay? Then thickest string with the thumb, then open on the A, then thumb on the D, then index on G, then lift up off the B string with your fretting hand and play that as an open. So we've got going to basically repeat. So bar 3 is more or less, in fact it is exactly the same as bar 2. So you've already done that, right? So already you've got quite a bit of the song. Thumb, 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 index, middle, pinch, index, thumb on E, thumb on A, thumb on D, index. Good, now we're moving into bar 4. So put your index finger back down again for the A minor. Then lift it up, so we're pinching the A and the B string there. Then play open on B, then index finger on 2. Then put it down again, the index finger. So basically we're doing the same thing twice. So we're going pinch, middle, index, pinch, middle, index, putting index finger down on the A minor, lifting up, down on the A minor, lifting up. Then the next bar. So pretty simple, more pinches, pulling 2 strings at the same time, A string and the E string. We don't need to fret anything for this, that's why it's just zeros on the music. And we do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, thumb and ring finger on E. Then fret 3 on the B string, play that with the middle finger, and then ring finger on the open string, on the open E string, thinner string. Okay, so let's go back to bar 4 with the A minor. Good. Now hold down fret 1 on the thinnest string. You're going to do another pinch here, playing that thinnest string that you're holding down, but this time the thumb is moved down to the 3rd string on the D string, and then play the 1 again. Then open on A, thumb on A, then thumb on D, then play the 1 again with the ring finger, then lift up to an open string, and then fret 3 on the B string. Okay, the bar before. Okay, next bar, bar 7, I'll play it all through, then I'll teach it to you. So fret 1 on the thinnest string again, then open on that string, so pinching A string and E, then lifting up the finger and playing the E by itself, then thumb on thickest, then thumb on A string, then ring finger for the open string, then 3rd fret on B string, 1st fret on B string. And then finally, next bar. So I'm doing a pinch on the thickest string and the B string, pulling those 2 strings together, nothing held down. Then open on the ring finger, nothing hold down. Then hold down fret 1 on the B string, pinch the thickest string of that note. Then open on the B string. And then finally, make your A minor again, and you're just going to pinch the A string, the D string, and the G string. We have to break the fingerstyle rule a little bit here because the thumb can't play these 2 strings at the same time. We're just going to pull those. Then open on thickest. Now we've actually already done that. That's what we did in a previous bar. So you'll then see that there's a repeat symbol, which is basically 2 little dots at the end of the bar, and that means that we're going back to bar 2. So this is how it joins. Back to bar 2. This is bar 3. Bar 4. 5. 6. 7. So when we do the repeat, we need to know how to finish it, and we finish it just by playing these 2s with this big pinch that I said that breaks the rule to finish the tune off. And then you just strum that and hold that to the end. So it's a nice, simple, fun Italian folk song. Let me know in the comments below if you've enjoyed learning it, and if you want to learn something more like this. Keep on playing, and see you soon.